Google AdSense is literally one of the easiest way you can use to make money online as a total beginner. Google wants to pay you to show ads on your content. So when it comes to Google AdSense, it doesn't require you to chase clients, it doesn't require you to make any form of sales or advertisement. You just create your content, Google show their ads on it, and you are going to get paid for it. And in this video, I'm going to show you what Google AdSense is all about, how it works, how you can get approved when it comes to Google AdSense, and how you can start earning on it. And if you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejogba, and I'm a student in the University of Calabar studying medical laboratory science. And in my channel, I help students level up the academic game. I also help people like you want to win online, achieve their goals. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I drop videos like this, and in turn you will help me grow. So now the big question is, what is Google AdSense? I know that is what is running through your mind right now. Simply put it as a program. Google AdSense is a program that allow Google show ads on your content. So when I say content, it can be written content, that is a blog post or your website, or it can be your YouTube video. So it can be your videos and it can also be written content. All what you just have to do is to create your content. Google show ads on this content. When people visit this website, when people visit your website, they are going to see ads. I know you have visited websites where you see advertisement shown there. Since it's not what took you, they just scroll past. Now, since you have visited that website and you have seen that advertisement, that person will get paid for it. That is the same thing that is going to happen to you. So when you allow Google show ads on your video or on your website, and people visit your website, they see that ads, Google will pay you for them, like will pay you since they have seen your website or the ads in your website. Now, how much money you can make when it comes to Google AdSense depends on two things. It depends literally on two things, and the first one is known as traffic. So traffic is the amount or how much of people visited your website, or how many people watch your video on YouTube, right? So the amount of people that watches or visited your website or visit your website determines how much you are going to earn. So if I say 10,000 people visited my website as of the month of August 2025, and for you 1,000 people visited your website, you find out that our earning is going to be what different. So I'm going to earn higher than you, and this will lead me to the second factor. Remember, I said it's just two things that determine how much money you earn. I've talked about the traffic, which is how many people visit your website. Now, the second one is what is known as the niche. So when it comes to the concept of niching simply means what you want to do, like what you are doing. So let's say I'm an entertainer, I make dancing videos and stuff like that. That is my niche. That is what I want to do on YouTube. So let's say I am an education content creator. That is what I want to do on YouTube. Or if I say I'm a finance content creator, that is what I'm also doing on YouTube, right? So the amount of money you're going to get as a finance content creator is going to be quite and huge different from someone who is just into regular entertainment and vlogs and entertainment and stuff like that, right? Because the finance niche has the highest RPM when it comes to Google AdSense, be it written or be it visual, right? So the finance niche has the highest RPM, followed by the tech and the gadget review and the educational review, followed by the entertainment, which we all know about. So the amount of money you are going to earn, let's say I have 10,000 people visiting my website, and you also have 10,000 people visiting your website as of the same month. Let's use the month of August. 10,000 people visited my website and 10,000 people visited your website. If I am into the finance niche, I'm going to earn 2 times the amount of money you are going to earn as a normal entertainment YouTuber or as a normal entertainment blogger, right? This is because YouTube or Google AdSense, let me use Google AdSense, let me not just limit it to YouTube, because Google AdSense involves the blog or website and the YouTube. So what makes these differences? Because Google AdSense believe that the people watching my videos are capable of taking actions. The Google believe that these people are capable of taking actions. These people are capable of purchasing something. Because let's say I am promoting a gadget on YouTube, I'll make a content about gadget, reviewing a particular gadget. It is believed that people watching that video or people reading that content have the have the purchasing ability or the purchasing power to purchase that gadget. That means their income is higher, right? So Google is going to pay me more. Because how Google is going to pay me more is because of the amount of money advertisers are going to pay Google in order for them to show ads on your video. So or your content. So let me use content, let me not just limit it to a video. So let's say I want to talk about Redmi 14C right now, and people, like, let's use Samsung and Itel. They are going to pay huge amount of money, so that since I'm talking about Redmi, they want people to also see their Samsung products before seeing my Redmi review. So that is what determines how much money I'm going to earn, because Samsung are going to put more money, or Itel are going to put more money. So people are going to see their Itel products before coming to even see my Redmi review, right? It is believed that when people, probably there are some people that will see this Itel review or this Samsung phone review, and they will just go and purchase it instead of coming down to watch a video or watching my video, which I was talking about the Redmi. So that is how, or that is a major reason that causes the earning differences. So someone that is into entertainment is not going to earn as high as someone who is into the finance, tech and gadget review or any educational content. So I've talked about two things that determines how much money you are going to earn when it comes to Google AdSense. The first one is the amount of traffic you have on your content, and the second is the niche which you are operating on. So there are two platforms that uses Google AdSense. The first one is YouTube, and the second is blog. That is your blog sites or your website, right? So these are the two platforms that utilizes Google AdSense, and these are the two platforms that will give you the opportunity to earn money using Google AdSense. To get started is very simple. You just simply have to decide which of these two platforms you want to use. Do you want to be a blogger or do you want to be a YouTuber, right? So just choose any of them. After choosing them, then you choose what you want to do on this platform, right? So you have to, when I say choose what you want to do on this platform, I'm simply saying choose your niche. Do you want to be an entertainment blogger or entertainment YouTuber, or you want to be a website, like, you understand, you want to talk about finance and stuff like that? So you just have to choose the niche. You have to choose what you want to do on that particular platform you want to use, right? Then after choosing it, what is now left for you is to create valuable content on this platform, right? So create valuable content, keep pushing in the content, and it's not going to be easy actually when you put in this content and you find out that you are probably not getting views and stuff like that, since I've talked about traffic. But just keep putting in content. When you start YouTubing or when you start blogging, it takes time for Google to really understand who you are. So when you keep putting in content, it gets to tell this platform, or you get to tell YouTube or the blog, that is Google in general, that okay, this is so person, this is Mr. Akpan, and Mr. Akpan want to be giving us entertainment blog posts, right? So it takes time for Google to actually understand who you are. So make sure you keep putting in valuable content. Then after putting in this valuable content, when it comes to blogging, when it comes to the blog, or that is a blog website, you have to apply for Google AdSense. So you have to apply for Google AdSense. But if it's for YouTube, the moment you reach your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers, YouTube automatically will send you a mail for you to complete your registration, where you have to complete your registration so that you can start earning money on your content. But when it comes to blogging, you have to manually apply. Then after applying, it takes some days, I think 14 days, that is 2 weeks, for them to give you a reply. If you are approved, you get to find that ads will be shown on your content, right? So if you get approved now on YouTube, someone want to watch your video on YouTube, there are going to be series of ads. So that person will be watching, like you used to see it, right? Even this video you are watching, right? Because I'm already monetized on YouTube, so you are going to see ads on this. You have seen ads on this particular video before getting to reach this particular point. So that is the same thing that is going to happen if you if you are finally monetized on this platform, right? So ads will be shown on your content. But the truth of the matter is that you have to focus on traffic. Because despite the fact I say that if you are in entertainment, you are going to earn low and stuff like that, but the truth, if you have up to 100,000 viewers on your content, there's no how you cannot earn up to $100, right, on that particular content. So the more traffic you get on your content, the more amount of money you are going to earn. But there's one thing I want you to know when it comes to Google AdSense. Google AdSense is not a quick money making scheme, but it is one of the surest way that the moment you get monetized, you are going to continuously and forever earn money from it. And that is why a lot of people call it the best passive income. But the truth of the matter is that please don't be tempted to click on your own ads. If you have a blog website and ads are showing on your content, please don't click on it. If you have a YouTube channel and ads are showing on it, please don't click on it, right? Because if you click on it, Google will feel that you are manipulative and they will ban you. So if you don't want to get banned on this platform which is giving you money, please make sure you don't click on your own ads. Now, the truth of the matter, and one thing I like telling people is that it is not just enough for you to watch an informative and educative content like this and nod your head and scroll up, right? So drop it in the comment section. Which of these two are you starting right away? Do you want to be a blogger? Do you want to be a YouTuber? Drop it in the comment section. There are some things that I have to tell you that will be really helpful for your growth when it comes to search engine optimization, that is the SEO, so that you can start getting views and start making your money early. If you love this video, if you find it informative, if you find it educative, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share these videos to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.